don't want to die, is that wrong?
No. Don't be afraid of death, Winnie. Be afraid of the unlived life.
Tuck said to Winnie this summer she turned 15, "Do not fear death, but rather the unlived life. You don't have to live forever, you just have to live." And she did. The irony is, when Jesse is talking to Winnie, he tells Winnie that he is 104 years old. Winnie thinks he's joking and she laughs about it, but he actually is 104. In the book Tuck Everlasting, there is a young woman named Winnie who grew up in a very nice family, but they were always dressed nice. Winnie meets this boy Jesse Tuck, who she falls in love with. The Tucks are very different from her family. They tell her that they drank out of the spring that had immortal water that makes them live forever. They tell Winnie that she shouldn't be afraid of dying. She should be afraid of living an unlived life. Winnie has to decide if she wants to live forever with Jesse or if she should die. I recommend this book because the main idea in the book is really interesting. A book about everlasting fountain of water that could make us live forever. Isn't that what we all wish for? It is so dramatic and makes you want to read more because it sounds so realistic. It also makes you see the other point of view, why you wouldn't want to live forever, and it changes your thought about it. It gets you to think about it after you finish the book. I think it's really good for people my age to read it because we haven't lived that long, so our first thought are that it's awesome until you realize it's not that great. I think this quote is really good because it really states the main idea in this book. Sometimes all we think about is death and how we need to prepare for it. We also wonder what's going to happen after we die. Mia is telling Winnie that sometimes you just need to think of the life you're living now and enjoy it and live it. I like how this passage is saying you shouldn't have to worry on the future. You just worry about what's going on right now. You don't have to live forever. You just have to live.